Hi guys, welcome to another system, and yes, I'm still not at home, so the sound will be different a little bit. Sounds a little bit hollow here. Anyway, this is the new computer, right? So there's an old computer, there's a new computer, and I've got permission to show you at least, but not install ArcoLinux on it. So this is again an AMD Ryzen 7 system, but 7700 this time, and an Nvidia Geforce RTX4070. And as you see, we're booting. So the ArcoLinuxL, the version that we have from April, does not include XF86 video drivers, but it does include Nvidia DKMS. So if you choose line 2, this is what you'll get, and the installation will work, and you will be able to boot into your Nvidia system. So let's go over some more details. So you see already some information here. When I do a Ctrl-T, I do a sudo -b to show you some more. And do that again. All right, so where did we start again? If you don't know, you do clean. You type clean and then you do it again. So 6.2.6, and we have an Asus motherboard. We should figure out what it is. Here it is, Prime B650Plus. I'll put the probe link later on in here. So this is a brand new machine, beautifully built, and that's from 24th of February 2023. It's an 8-core AMD. Speed is average 3, and 3000 is the minimum. That's always important, and that's the reference to it, but it's plainly spoken into the corridors as a Geforce RTX4070Ti. Using Nvidia drivers, it's loaded, a real tech. And as device, we have already also something. Let's have a look. So probe is something we ask you guys to type in your terminal. Then you get a link, and this with that link we get a really great overview of things. So let's make this bigger. We've got this, we know that already. I wanted to know the NVMe, control find NVMe is coming from Samsung. It's a 981 or 983 that's in this system, and all the rest you check it out if there's something interesting here. So you know this is gonna work. If you buy this today, you'll know it worked, but it's not of the cheapest, this config, right? So there you are. That's gonna work. Like I said, I promised not to install it because there's of course Windows on it for work, well, school, university. And there we go. Did promise to make you a video, so this is gonna work. With this kind of hardware, you can install ArcoLinux, any of the ArcoLinux, right? Not just ArcoLinux XL. There is maybe something else we could show, I was thinking, and that's the DUF, of course. DUF will show us something, I think, what's in this machine as well. No, not really, but maybe the other guy is there. So the discs, maybe this one, no, oh, that's something else. Disk can show you what we have here as well. So this one, let's analyze. This is the Windows one that I can't overwrite, otherwise his work is gone. And this is the one that has all kind of data on Windows, shouldn't touch it either. And this is the one that I give him as a present, a 2 terabyte that has now ArcoLinux and will be formatted, and that's that, right? The same thing I say to you, I say to other people, don't dual boot. Yeah, it's just not worth it. You might risk overwriting Windows 11 or Windows 10 and all the data is gone. So just use 2 PCs that's always safest. One for Windows, one for Linux, and then you have no issues overwriting your stuff. So this is all recorded in a live DVD. I'm gonna stay here for a while and upload everything to YouTube. All right, cheers.